Wake up, wake up, it's a brand new day. Brush your teeth and wash your face, hooray. Get dressed in your clothes so bright. Time for breakfast, feeling just right. Morning sun, rise and shine. New day, everything is fine. Healthy breakfast, start the day. Fruit and cereal, we're on our way. Pack your bag, school is near. Grab your lunch and books, we're ready, dear. Off to school, learn and play. With friends and teachers, we spend our day. Class time, learning so much. Reading, writing, and numbers to crunch. Arts and crafts, fun with glue. Painting pictures, colors bright and true. Lunch break, yum, let's eat. Sandwiches, apples, and a special treat. Back to school, games to play. PE and music, a fantastic day. Home from school, snack time now. Homework, then we take a bow. Play outside, run around. Dinner time, family time, love all around. Bath time, bubbles everywhere. Pajamas on, cozy in our chair. Story time, dreams take flight. Good night, star shining bright.
Kids, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.